Welcome back, guys. Part 5 of the M52 Turbo. It's pretty much done. As you've seen from the last episode, it's all running. So we're just tidying bits up at the moment, bleeding the brakes, make sure the lines are sorted. So yeah, that's it really. I'll film as much as possible. It's going for an exhaust on Thursday. Yeah, so stay tuned.
There's nothing there, See, I should have a 6-cylinder brace set now as well.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've got one of them.
You might have got them as well.
No, they come out for the exhaust on it.
Yeah.
Nice and shiny.
Yeah, and this one there. Yeah, and there's one here as well we're going to take off.
Take the two of them off and that should be sound, that should. Well, they'll snap.
Yeah. That look, oh.
So, last day on Chris's car.
Yeah.
And then he'll be taking it away.
Yeah.
Happy fucking days.
Yeah. Get it out! Fucking car.
That's where we nut and bolted the diff. Because it was rounded, no threads left, and nice new bolts on the subframe from BMW. They cost Chris £1,000.
What are they, 10 mils off?
Yeah.
Saving pounds again by that.
Yeah, £7 now. Is that 10? Yeah.
Yeah, it's a fucking.
There should be a grey 10 in there. 10 tools up.
Yeah.
Which one?
That one. Is it 10 minutes?
Yeah. Try that.
Try that, mate.
Take 2.
No.
Oh, that's tight. I don't want to round the cunt off. Sorry about that.
Chris just fitted his new heat shield. Prop shaft is back on. Well, you can't fit that other heat shield, Chris, no?
I don't think so, no, because...
So no, I don't know if I have to go and I need the 6-cylinder thing on you. And it bolts into it.
So I can still get that off there, isn't it?
I didn't touch that one, didn't I?
Really?
Didn't come up that far, no.
Chris's new heat shield, all fitted. How much you pay for that, Chris?
Like 200 quid for the both delivered. 120 quid.
Bargain.
Bit expensive, like, but I don't know.
That just finishes off the underneath of the car nicely.
Yeah, just wiping all Ross's dirty handprints off here. Been kicking his ass. Cost me £86.
£92 £92 a litre, that is. £92 a litre.
Yeah, it's fucking fit white wall, isn't it?
Yeah.
What isn't it? They're fucking black, and a rubber. We've got been paying them.
No, I seen Indiana said the other day that you'll have dates for Birmingham in April.
Yeah,
And
like
if-
what man, kiss the wall.
If not, you'll have a different venue, he said.
Yeah.
So, who knows?
Huh?
It's not a drift car. It's what did you say it was? So he's going to take it circuit drifting.
I just get.
Just
Oh, I
circuit
think-
drifting. I've never heard of that.
Where's plastic clip train?
Yeah.
Where?
Probably not with him. He never has anything with him.
Plastic clips.
Yeah.
For.
Well, I've already bought everything.
Not everything.
Not everything. Got more stuff. Not everything. Not everything.
You can, but I have to drill another hole now.
Oh.
Another hole drilled in the
That's driller, cable tire. Bit white, I don't know.
Looks mint.
Huh?
Looks mint. You're welcome, mate.
Bit like that. Just come down, this will be inside bit.
Very clean. Brand new Scottish.
That's remarkable company.
That's it, right? No, just on top.
On top of it. There you go.
That's big. No, it's not.
Just gotta fucking cut it off wherever you want it.
Sound.
It's shit, yeah. Yeah, I'm going to edit this. I'll bring that right over. You could probably get a pipe down there and just sort of fill
No.
it up. Alright,
You bring gold bars, yeah.
yeah.
I love gold bars.
Mate, honestly, I saw on the till, I couldn't leave them there. I was like,
I know, I've got no.
Chris's car just about ready to go, but no, it's leaking water. Not from a very nice place either. From a the timing case, if you can see.
Cap on it, yeah.
all set the test do, Chris boy. All set the test do.
Go be honest.
Well, if you can see there, the gasket is
Hey, at least you're
Wrong.
having a mystery ball from my fucking Danny Pritchard it is. Yeah, he's done his time and moved it back a tough. Still doesn't mind. He tried to crank sensor from one of the boys that didn't work. Tried the cam sensor from someone else that didn't work. Yeah, I don't know, fucking good.
We'll spin him round. We push him out. Push it forward and then just start up the other on.
Right. Oh, I drunk that tea way too fast.
get out of my fucking garage, mate.
Oh, no.
Yeah, he's coming back.
Yeah, he's coming back. When do you want him back?
What?
When do you want him back?
I don't want it back. What do you mean? I want you to turn on the car. I'll probably just do that in my own garage.
I was walking around thinking it was a spun the truck. Right, that's it, just run around there. Stand there.
Thought my days of pushing this thing were over.
Yeah, better off reversing down there now.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be surprised if he just drives off, Chris.
These are fucking hell.
Oh, we're saying goodbye to Chris's car, maybe just for a week. Then it's back.
You shouldn't have, I'm going up there for a week back.
I just want to ramp back Saturday so I can put my anti-roll bar on my car. Just an just an anti-roll bar.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, hasn't got one at the moment, mate. Only on the back. No, I used to have, I never ran a front one on the compact. But I always found that's a bit grippier than fucking my old one. And my old one had an anti-roll bar, that didn't, so I'll put an anti-roll bar on it. See what it does. Curbed my fucking wheels the other day, is it?
Come on, man. Well, you done, yeah, didn't you? Yeah.
Oh, curbed them, fucking curbed it, yeah.
All along?
Yeah, we fucking ran out of petrol on the edge of the valley.
Oh,
Fucking tried to get up on a curb, didn't I? And fucking it wouldn't go up on a curb. Just fucking fucked.
Get it on the end of there.
Oh, fucking hell. Don't do that, mate. Oh.
every single day.
Every day for that. We didn't even charge you any extra for that.
Are they doing it? Just kind of bit.
Looks like I've got some good.
Bit more.
Just a touch. That'll do perfect. Lovely. She's on. So that's my fucking problem, then.
Now it's your problem. Good luck with it.
Oh, I fucking need it.
That's what I say. Good luck.
I drove it.
You drove it for the first time.
Fucking drove it.
Did it feel powerful?
Oh.
Right, so that's it for this episode. Didn't all go to plan. Had a major water leak at the end. Not sure if I filmed any of that, but where the timing case meets the block, whoever built the engine, when the original gasket was put in, either the wrong gasket is being used or the gasket is pushed out of place, and the timing case was tightened up, so there's a slight gap between where the water pump seals and water just flying out of that. But it went off for alignment Thursday. And then yesterday, which was Friday, it went to, I think, Pro Fab to get his exhaust priced up and quoted. So I think he's going to be getting that done within the next 2 or 3 weeks once they've got space. It's coming back to us probably next week. We're going to drop the sump, take the timing case off and put a new gasket on it, get that all sealed up for Chris, stop any water leaks. And it wouldn't start for him yesterday. So we get it plugged back in once it comes in, see what the problem is with that. The crank sensor on it looked quite munched. So we weren't sure if that was ever going to work anyway, but we'll plug it in and see if that's the problem. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Once it comes back, I'll give you a full walk around of the car. Probably see from this video, the underneath looks like a brand new car, you could eat your dinner off it. Chris spent a while cleaning it. Obviously he's undercoated that, he's undersealed it, stone chipped it and painted it when he originally built the car a couple of years ago. So the underneath is really, really clean. He's got some new heat shields which he fitted, obviously you would have seen them already. Yeah, so really clean build, happy with how it's going so far. Wish the water leak hadn't happened because that's a pain in the arse, especially for Chris. We'll get it sorted for him anyway, so it's not really a problem for us, but we get sorted once it comes back. But it's a bit disappointing after he built the engine, and then just a small thing like that can cause so much work to get it fixed. But yeah, so thanks everybody for watching so far. As I said, thanks for all the subscribers. If you are watching, make sure you hit the subscribe button, comment on the video, share, every little helps. Yeah, so probably won't have anything on this next week, not on a turbo, probably be the week after, but I'll get some stuff ready for next week for you. So yeah, well, enjoy the video, and I will see you next time.